Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can increase the refresh rate if your Realme device have 90 Hz. If you have chosen 60 Hz, how you can put it in the 90 Hz or auto select option, how you do this settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open the settings option, and then there is a display and brightness option. If you can't find out, just go to search or any settings, you can find out. Swipe down, then you see there is a screen refresh rate, or you can see the refresh rate. Click on that option, and then there it is a two options, standard and high. Standard is a 60 hertz and high is a 90 hertz option. You can choose 90 hertz, but if you are playing games on it, you can choose auto select. When your phone hertz is decreasing, it automatically shifts to 60 hertz to conserve battery. You can choose preference, you give preference on auto select option. I hope this feature will help you. If you like this setting, I hope you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.